back to my channel, and here we are still working on this problem as we have answered question A, so in which we are asked to draw the given view. So now we want to draw the plan. So this is that is the next thing that we want to do. We want to draw the plan. Okay, so let's see how that can be done. So that is question B. So let's see how that can be done. Alright, so what we need to do now is that I'm going to extend this horizontal center line in the plan. So I will extend it a bit. Okay, so this is okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to locate this point here in the plan, because we are looking at it from the top. So I need to locate it here in the plan. So this line, I'll just extend this line. I will take it a little down. So just to take it down here. Okay. Alright, so I'll just take it down. So this is the point. So if I label this point as point O here in the front elevation, so in the plan, so I will call it O prime. Okay, so that is the point. And then so the next thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to draw a vertical line from each of these points. So a vertical line from each of these points. So from this point 11, so which is meant for 1 and 11. So I will draw a vertical line to meet the horizontal line like this. Then from point 10, so which is meant for 2 and 10, so I draw a vertical line to meet the horizontal line. Then we have done that of 3 and 11, so I will also do the same thing for 4 and 8. So draw from 8, so it is meant for both 4 and 8. Then 5 and 7, so I will draw from 7, so it is meant for both 5 and 7. So we have this. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to join each of these points. I'm joining them to the apex of the oblique cone. So it goes like this. So let's take our time to do this thing so that we can get it perfect. Okay. Alright, so we join this point with the apex of the cone. So this point also, we join it together with the apex of the cone. And then, so this point is also joined to the apex of the cone. Alright, so we have this now. So the next thing that we are going to do, let's see how that goes. Now, so we are going to join each of this line with this point. As we have joined each of these points here with the apex, so each of these will be joined with point O. So I will join this point 11, so with this point O, and it goes like this. That's O prime. Then 10 with O prime. Okay, then 9 with O prime. So 9 with O prime. Okay, so that goes with 1. Then 8 with O prime. 8 with O prime. So it goes like this. Then, so we have 7 with O prime. So we have done that of 6 and 0 already. So then we have what we have 1 being joined with O prime. Then 2. So join with O prime. Then 3. So 3 and 1. So they will go together. So this is it. Okay, so that is 8. Okay. Alright, so then we have 4. So 4 joining with O prime. Then 5. So goes with O prime. Then, so we have done that of 6 and 0. So we have this. Okay, so I believe this is clear. Now, by the time we are looking at this, the solid truncated cone, oblique cone from the top, we are going to see a rough surface here. So, and that rough surface has to be shown here in the plan. So that's what we want to do next. That's why they said we should draw the plan, and we need to make sure we do that perfectly. So let's see how that can be done. So I've limited the numbering so that I don't want it to be rough. So this point is 0.6 as this is 6. So we are going to draw a vertical line from this point. So we draw a vertical line from this point and it will intersect line 6. Okay, so let's take it easy and make sure that is well done. Okay, so I will draw a vertical line from here. So it touches this line. This line is for 6. So we have this point for 6. So let's just take note of it. Okay. Then the next is this line contains 5 and 7. So 5 and 7. So if we draw a vertical line from here, so we draw a vertical line from here down. Okay. So it touches 5 here. And it touches 7 here. So just take note the way I'm doing it is very simple. So you just need to take it easy. You don't have to rush it. So this point is for 4 and 8. So if I draw a vertical line from this point, so it comes down like this. Okay. Alright, so this line 4, I didn't see that it is not complete. So this is 0.4. Okay, and this is 0.8. So on line 8, just look at the line. So next is we have what? We have this to be 3 and 9. So if I draw a vertical line from here for 3 and 9, so it comes down like this. So here is 0.3 and here is 0.9. Alright, so then we have what? We have the next one to be 210. So if I draw a vertical line from here, so it comes down like this. So it touches 2 at this point, and it touches 10 at this point. Okay, so next is 111, which is this point, 111. So if I draw a vertical line, so from here, so this is 0.1, and then so this is 11. So it's very clear. Okay, so then the last one is 0. So coming to this point here, so I will draw a vertical line down here. So we have 0 on this horizontal center line here. So this point, we are going to join them together with the use of a French curve to obtain the shape that we have on this surface. So when this part is removed. So I'm going to pause the video. I believe you can make use of your French curve to join the point together. So I'll pause the video, I will join, then I will come back and show you the next thing that you are to do. Alright. Alright, I've joined the point together and this is the shape that I obtained. Okay, so what we need to do now, so this surface will be rough. So we need to show that producing arching lines on this surface. So we produce arching lines here. Okay, so arching lines are drawn within continuous line and they are equally spaced. So and that is what I am doing here right now. Okay, so that's it. Now, so as I've said that I need to draw this circle, so using thin continuous line, because the reason is that this part that we have here, it covers this part of the base. This part of the base, and so as you can see here, so this, what we have left is from this point back to this point. So that's what we are going to make thick. So I'll do that while I pause the video. Alright, this is the plan as we're asked to draw it. So we are done with the plan. So let's meet on the surface development of the truncated part that we have left. Thank you, and God bless you.